Budgie's a little helicopter. He is brave, a little hero. Budgie and friends are always working hard together. Pip and Chuck and Lionel in a new adventure.
Budgie!
Rocketing rotors.
Oh, Budgie's a little helicopter. He is nippy, look at him go, it's Budgie, the little helicopter.
Oh, good. Getting them drain pipes out the way at last, are they?
Yes, Chuck's taking them to the new airport. God, what a size. I couldn't have pumped some water through them.
Right, take her away. Huh? Ah!
Oh, goodness.
Oh, very nice.
Well, cheer up, Del. At least you won't catch fire in a hurry.
But I don't think I fastened the ring properly.
Yo, Mike.
Sorry.
All the work we've got to do, and now we need a new wash unit.
Yeah, rotten birthday present, I know. But
Oh, don't talk to me about birthdays. Come on, we better start clearing up the mess.
Birthday? Whose birthday?
Search me?
Don't pinch the cake mix.
How did you know I was?
Because you always do.
What kind of cake is it, Mum?
It's a birthday cake for Ken Wrench, and it's a surprise. So can you go and ask Mike to keep Ken away from the canteen?
Oh, yes.
And don't let Ken hear you, all right?
Okay.
Ah, gee, I feel like a total klutz, Lionel. Pipes all over the place.
But not your fault, Chuck. Mike hadn't fastened the sling properly.
I think you did a great job, Chuck.
Huh?
Well, you just about flattened the heli wash.
So you don't mind being dirty then, Budgie?
Well,
Or smelly, I dare say.
it was only a joke, Lionel.
Well, I've got a joke too. You can do the fish run.
Oh, Lionel.
Hey, now that really is funny.
The birthday cake will be ready by this afternoon.
right, great. I'll think of something to get him away from here. What's the cake like?
What cake? Get you away.
Cake? No, not cake. Brake. Yeah, I fixed Pippa's brake.
Oh, right.
And, got Budgie out. Yeah, I've got him out of the way. Oh, I mean, out on a job.
Right. Well, I want to take another look at the walrus if you're finished here.
Yes, great. Good. Well, I'll see you later then, eh?
Yes, Mike.
See you later.
Lionel,
Yes, Pippa?
it's Budgie.
What? What's wrong?
Nothing's wrong, Lionel. But it must be Budgie's birthday.
What are you talking about?
Chuck and I heard Mike and Ken talking about someone's birthday.
Right.
Now the twins and Mike are planning a surprise cake.
Cake?
And Mike said that he'd got Budgie out of the way until the cake was finished.
Juddering joysticks. It was about this time of year that Budgie first arrived.
Well then, we ought to do something for Budgie's birthday.
Yeah, right. What?
Yes. Yeah, well, whatever it is, I'd better keep Budgie out of the way until it's ready.
Ugh, lobsters, horrid nippy things.
Fancy. Budgie's birthday. Oh, I loves a birthday.
So you will be able to help?
I reckon I could borrow the banners and that from the summer fight we always has here. And here, isn't that him now?
Oh no, he's going to be back far too soon. Pippa to Lionel, over.
Come in, Pippa.
Budgie's nearly home, Lionel. And we're not ready for him.
Leave it to me, Pippa.
Oh, there's Pippa with Ernest. I wonder why she's talking to him.
Lionel to Budgie, over.
Budgie to Lionel. I've delivered the fish and I'm nearly home.
I want you to pick up 3 sacks of cattle feed at Oakford Station and take them to Hilltop Farm, Budgie.
Oh, Lionel.
Pronto, please, Budgie.
All right, Lionel.
Yeah, of course we'll be there. Nice of you to ask us.
Not half. I haven't partied for ages.
Hey, fantastic!
Oh, Ken.
We think we saw a hole in the fence. Yeah, beside the runway.
Oh, well. I'll take a look later on.
And a man, we think.
Yes, climbing through the hole.
Oh, no. Right, I'll come. No peace for the wicked.
Right, Mrs. Kitchen. That's got him out of the way.
I hope that's the last job, Snowy. We've been on the go for hours.
Lionel to Budgie, over.
Hello, Lionel. I've just finished here.
Good show. Get to Blackrock Lighthouse, will you?
What?
One of the keepers has got a hospital appointment in Oakford, all right?
But Lionel...
All right?
All right. Rocketing rotors.
Dale! Oi! Dale!
Right, Smokey. Great work. And once that's nearly set, Nosy, you can start riding.
I don't know what all that was about, Mrs. Gay. No hole in the fence, no suspicious man.
Oh, dear.
Any chance of a cup of tea?
There's just been a call for you. There's a big crate to be picked up from the goods depot in Oakford.
Oh, well, we can send one of the helicopters.
Oh, you have to go there to sign for it first.
Oh, no. Oh, all right. I'll take the pickup. Someone doesn't want me having a cup of tea.
All right, you are.
Yeah. Yes, I've signed for it. Get Budgie over here to pick it up, will you? I'll be back in 20 minutes.
He's coming. He's here. Ken's here.
Quick, Mike, light the candles.
Right, it was a good rehearsal. Now we want a jolly good show. All right?
All right.
All right.
Jolly good show. Oh, so good. Jolly. Hello?
He's on his way.
Right, scramble, scramble, scramble.
How about that cup of...
Happy birthday!
Nearly home, Snowy. I wonder what else they'll want me to do.
Hello, Budgie.
Oh, Pippa, hi. And Chuck. And Lionel. What's going on?
Important message for you, Budgie.
Oh, what?
Look down there.
Rocketing rotors. It says...
Happy birthday, Budgie!
Oh, gosh. I'd forgotten.
Follow us down, Budgie. to open your present, Budgie.
Present?
The box. It must be for you.
Oh, gosh! Right. Huh? Hey? A heli wash?
Happy